In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Search Console for Shopify. This setup tutorial, along with covering some basic SEO tasks, will guide you through the process of connecting your Shopify store to Google Search Console effectively. The objective here is to help you monitor and maintain your website's presence in Google's search results. Let's get started by visiting your Google Search Console account. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with the option to add a property. Here, you'll need to enter the domain of your Shopify website. At this point, it becomes essential to ensure that you're entering the correct URL. Paste your domain into the designated field and then click on the Continue button to proceed. After you input your domain, Google Search Console will prompt you to verify your ownership of the domain. This verification process is crucial as it secures your website's data and ensures that only you have access to it. Google provides several methods for verification, but one of the most straightforward ones involves using your domain name provider. So, here's how to tackle this verification process. First, you'll need to select a record type. Typically, you might want to go with the DNS-TXT record for simplicity. Once you've made your selection, it's time to sign in with your domain name provider. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other service where your domain is registered. After you're logged in, locate the area where you can manage your DNS settings. This setup may vary slightly depending on your provider, but generally, you'll find an option for managing DNS configurations. Here, you'll copy the record provided by Google Search Console. Make sure you're pasting it accurately into the DNS configuration of your domain name provider. This step is vital as it links your Shopify domain to Google Search Console, allowing for seamless data collection. Once you've copied the record and added it to your DNS settings, head back over to Google Search Console and click on the Verify button. This action prompts Google to check for the record in your domain settings, and shortly after, you'll have confirmation that your domain is verified. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up Google Search Console for your Shopify store. Completing these steps equips you with a powerful tool for optimizing your site's search performance. With Google Search Console, you can monitor various metrics such as search traffic, track how Google indexes your site, and diagnose any potential issues. Remember, keeping an eye on your website's performance in search results can be pivotal for improving and maintaining your site's SEO health. So that's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to use Google Search Console to enhance your Shopify store's visibility. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to stay subscribed for more insightful guides.